Wow, this is so awkward doing it next to you, Mom. Okay, so I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
So you can't see at all?
I'm gonna have a makeover with Makiage, so just keep watching. I have really nice cheekbones.
Yes, you do.
Oh, why, thank you. Thank you, actually, Mom. You can shout yourself out if you have an Instagram.
Alec Matisse ___ALICORTESE ___. Our foundation is water-based, so it's going to feel very lightweight and very natural on the skin. It's also a satin finish, so it's more of a natural finish, not too dewy, not too matte. Very natural, water-based. We have 50 shades.
50.
Yes, skin
Diversity. It blurred her line.
This is a smoothing primer. What it does is it fills in the pores temporarily. So the particles of the primer is meant to be bigger than the foundation. So it blocks off the pores so the makeup can't get in, because it's harder to get makeup out of your pores than the primer. Chamomile, vitamin E, aloe vera, and cucumber is going to reduce redness, hydrate the face, and I like to use it before and after the makeup. So basically preps and sets the makeup. We're going to make you look as natural as possible. That's the goal here. We don't want to cover anything up. We just want to even everything out. Like an extra layer of skin, more airbrush, more natural. That's the goal. You want to make sure you don't use too much of this, because you will see it through if you use too much. Now, the reason why I love this shade is because it has the winter shades and the summer shades. So you use it all year round, come through the mirror, and the color correctors. Now let's set it in place. What I like to do is I like to use loose powder under the eyes and then set it with a pressed powder. This powder is oil free as well, so it sets the face, makes it last all day, gives it a really nice satin finish. See how flawless you look?
I'm surprised at how natural that looks. And you know, I like the natural look.
But let's bring a little bit of color back. So we're going to do a little bit of blush behind it. Toxic. I love this blush. It's a very warm blush. Not too pigmented, so that it looks cloudy. More of a
Sorry, I couldn't help it.
You are all set. Did you want to take anything home?
Comment down below, what Il Makiage product would you like to try? Big thank you to Ali for doing my makeup. And if you are interested in receiving a free mini makeover, contact Il Makiage through Facebook. They have wonderful customer service and they will send you a link so that you can book in your city right now. Bye. Oh, select cities. Bye.